Hello everybody, this is George with Melnix Automotive, working on a 23 Nissan Frontier. As you can see, the traction light is on right over here, and if it's not going away, and if you scan the car and if you're getting this code here, C1142 pressure sensor circuit, okay? So there is two switches underneath your dash right over here. Let me see if I can get my camera to this thing here. Okay, so there's two switches. The top one is your brake pressure sensor switch, and the bottom one is your tail light switch. So that means those switches are not aligned right, so you have to realign those switches. Okay, after alignment, it should look something like this. Okay, after adjusting the switches, sometimes you might have to clear the code. I did not have to. No fault codes detected. There you go. Once again, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnix Automotive.